Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make beef samosas. Enjoy. To start with, I'll knead the dough, and what I need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix together. Then make a small well at the middle and start adding water gradually. Continue kneading the dough and adding water as required until all the flour incorporates in the dough. Once the dough is ready, cover it and let it rest as you prepare your samosa filling. For the samosa filling, we need 1 chopped onion, pre-boiled minced beef, chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon curry powder, and 1 tablespoon cumin, and 2 beef cubes. Then add ginger and garlic paste and cook again for about a minute. Add the pre-boiled minced beef and let it cook for about 2 minutes. I had already pre-boiled the minced meat, so I don't need to cook it for a long time. Lastly, I'll add the onion and the dhania and let it cook for about 3 minutes. I like adding the onions last so that I can get the nice onion flavor in the samosas. Now turn off the heat, cover and let it cool. So dust the surface and divide the dough into small portions. I managed to get 8 portions from the dough. Now roll the dough into a small circle, as you can see here, and put it aside. Make sure you dust the surface to stop the dough from sticking. Now I have my 4 rolled out dough, and the next step is, now apply the oil on the dough as I'm doing here. This part is very important, and now dust with a bit of flour. Now place the other sheet on top and repeat the same process for the remaining 2. The oil and the flour will help when you're separating the sheets. Now that we've placed all the 4 together, I'll just roll them into a big disc. So I'll not roll it too much because my pan is not as big. Now place on a preheated pan and make sure the pan is not too hot. After a few seconds, flip on the other side and let it cook for a bit. And now you can start separating the sheets. You need to be very careful when separating the sheets as they're very delicate and they can tear. This step is very important, so get a clean damp cloth and cover the sheets with it. This will prevent your sheets from getting dry and breaking. To make the samosa pockets, I'll just bring one end of the round side, as I'm doing here, and overlap the other side, as I'm doing here. So I have my edible glue ready, which is water and all-purpose flour mixed together. So apply the glue as I'm doing here and overlap the other side. Make sure you don't leave a hole at the bottom. If there is a hole, then the oil will seep in the samosas, then you'll get soggy samosas, and that's not what we want. Now make sure the filling is cold, and when you're filling, make sure you don't overfill the pocket. Now tuck it in as I'm doing here. Apply your paste and then cover the top like an envelope. The samosas are now ready to deep fry. Be very careful when deep frying and make sure the oil is not too hot. Cook the samosas for a few minutes until they turn golden brown. Now the samosas are ready, so repeat the same process for the remaining samosas. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Bye!